So major figures to remember in Tang Dynasty are this woman named Wu Zetian. She was really amazing political leader. She was like a second or third wife of Taizong, but then she got married to Taizong's son and became empress. So sometimes, at some point, she ruled the country alone. So enormous person. And then, why am I showing you the same thing? Oh, and then another person to remember in the Tang Dynasty is Yang Guifei. So there is an emperor called Xianzong in the middle of the 8th century when the Tang was the strongest in the area. And Yang Guifei is one of numerous wives of Xianzong, but she was considered a seductress in a way, so that Xianzong would do anything to please her. So I thought it's a great idea to think about mid-8th century Tang Dynasty fashion for an imperial lady. She was not the empress, but she was the most lavish dresser and also a fashionista. According to historical record, people imitated what she wore. She likes to wear red a lot. And this is Yang Guifei. There was a movie, and you can see the modern reproduction of the beauty mark, right? And beauty mark, and then the eyebrow is not like but the eyebrow should be here. How funny that is, right? And then the romance, and then this is the headgear that they are representing. It's sort of a floating in the air. And then this is Wu Zetian, Empress Wu Zetian. So two equally strong women. And Wu Zetian was the empress herself. So that's why you see the mianguan that she wear as the emperor. So Chinese historians didn't like her. It's she invaded the male prerogatives. So the Sheni that we just read in Chinese historical record, it remains throughout the period in China or Korea. So the Confucian scholars, when they go to their academy, Confucian Academy, they would dress up like this. So this little one, the middle one, is reconstruction by a Chinese example. And then this is a portraiture of a late 19th century scholar. So you can see that he wore the sheni and then the waistband. But the type of hat is different. He wears the indoor hat for the Yangban people. And then he also had a pair of glasses because it's the 19th century. So this is how you create your sheni, like the 12 pieces. This is how they are explaining that you use the 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go around, and somehow these are 12 pieces. And then you have that futo style headgear, and these are little pieces underneath to make your top knot. And this is how you wear this. So that's the sheni. So there is a long tradition of the sheni. Does not disappear from the Zhou dynasty all the way to now, actually 21st century. People still wear sheni in the Confucian Academy.